Hello, hello, hello. Thank you for clicking on my video today and choosing to join me. Full disclosure, I am a beginner at this acrylic pouring. I am not a professional and this is not a tutorial video. I am not a professional YouTuber either, so I don't do video editing. I just do my thing and throw the video up there. So if you're looking for a professional video, teacher, tutorial, that's not here. If you do have patience for newbies and you want to see what I'm going to create today, you're welcome to stay along. If you don't have any patience for newbies, you can click away now. Bye. Bye-bye. And if you have some patience but you're not quite sure, I will try to put those timestamps so you can scroll ahead if you're like, don't want to see this part, don't care about this part. But for the rest of you who are here for the long haul, let's get started. And that concludes the scripted part of my video. Today I have not painted in over a month, y'all. It was July. Okay, mama. It was July 12th last time I painted, and today is August 13th. So yeah, it's been a month. And I really want to, but I've kind of like just lost my motivation. So I'm looking to get started. So, again, I was inspired by an upcoming birthday. So I'm filming this today. It's the 13th. I probably won't post it until after that. So probably like this coming weekend or something. So the person doesn't see it. But I'm going to be doing these little wooden items that I picked up. I did already apply the gesso. So I did that earlier today, several hours ago. So it has dried already. I've never used that before, and I can see like brush marks in there. I just put a very thin coat, so I'm hoping that's gonna work. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. But I'm gonna be doing that today. And the colors that are picked are way out of my comfort zone for colors, but these are kind of the themes that I saw when I went to her house. So if you're watching this and you know who it is, I hope you like it. I hope it comes out well. So this is the folk art, and I combined it with glue all. This is the turquoise, and this is the bright pink rose, and this is the daffodil yellow, and this is the lime green. Right now it just has water in it. I don't know why I keep shaking it. And y'all know me, I take forever to layer cups, so I already have the cup layered. I'm like, let's just jump in and do this. I'm trying to get my motivation back. Like I said, I don't know what's going on with me. I've just been in kind of a slump, like not really motivated to do much of anything. I need to get out of that. So I was very glad when I was like, okay, I've been thinking about this for like a long time, like pretty much since I started. I kind of knew what I wanted to do for her. But then when I went to her house, I saw the colors, so I had all that like in mind. I just could not get motivated to get started. Okay, so I hope I have everything prepped and ready because I haven't done this in forever. So I'm like, okay, I feel like I'm missing something. Oh, I did tape the back already too, so that that won't get painted. I don't know, what am I missing? I feel like I'm missing something. Okay, and I've never done like not a canvas, so I'm so nervous. I don't know how this is gonna come out. Okay, I'm gonna get a toothpick out so I can put it in the hole once I'm done, because I don't want to like miss where the hole is. Okay, so I'm gonna have that ready. Okay, so here's the cup. You can see some of the layers in there. It's kind of hard to layer. These are really thick paints. I kept trying to thin them out, and I just got like, I just feel like sometimes I mix them and mix them and mix them, and they never like thin out. Whoa. Oh my gosh, the colors are getting so lost. Where's the pink? Where's the yellow? Wow, it's just because it's so thick. Look at that. Okay, here comes the colors a little bit. Oh man, I did not want to put this much paint on here. Losing a lot of paint. Look, you can see the colors in there, but it kind of, yeah, I don't really know. Okay, to bring out the colors a little bit, let's actually use the toothpick to kind of, there we go, kind of pull them out a little bit. There we go. At least that's a little bit. Let's get that pink back on here. Interesting. Yeah, it's just, I just did them too thick. My wrist was kind of hurting today when I was mixing them, and I was mixing and mixing and mixing for like, you know, an hour. And I was like, okay, that's it, I'm done. Okay, this is looking all right. Okay, it's not too bad. Let me see if when I pour I can, or when I tilt, if I can get a lot of that back into the cup. No, of course none of it's going in the cup. Oh my gosh, that's so thick, y'all. Okay, let me just get this. Just want to make sure I get the edges. The edges. Okay. Oh, it's stuck on my hand, y'all. Okay, so it's definitely way too thick. But what are you gonna do now, huh? Oh my gosh, it's coming out like way more green. I wanted more of the turquoise. Like at first it was all the turquoise and now it's like green. There you go, folks. With acrylic pouring, you just never know what you're gonna get. This is like really hard to hold. I don't know if that's enough, like dripping off, because it's so thick. I mean, it's not too bad. I just hate that we lost some of those colors. I mean, I don't know how much longer I can like hold it, you know. It doesn't seem to be really moving that much. Okay, well, I don't know. I mean, it's pretty, but I guess it's not what I expected. As always, it never comes out how I expect. Pretty much never. Okay, I'm gonna move it over here. Okay, and then I'm gonna grab this one, and then I'm gonna pick up this paint off the floor if I can. Okay. I just don't want to step in it and then track it all over the house. Okay, so the next one is gonna be this little guy. Little cross. She has a collection of crosses, by the way, so I'm doing crosses. Wow. I'm losing so much of the color. Okay, for this one, wow, I'm making a mess today. Like I said, this is pretty much just water, but it does have some of the color it picks up, so I'm gonna just put like a few drops to kind of get some of the other color in there. So it's basically just colored water. Because yeah, I was not supposed to turn army green. That was not the plan. And then again, I'm going to use my little toothpick to just kind of get these colors like just mixed in a little bit. This is where like knowing the color will probably help, because I probably put something in there that I shouldn't have that's causing it to mix like that, mix into the green. But you know, it's all a learning process. I'm glad I did know to put the gesso on there though, because that really helps the paint to be able to go on here and stick on here, adhere to the wood and not have the wood show through. So I saw that on several videos that I've watched, which I haven't even been watching painting videos in a while. It's so weird. I just like take off on something and I get like totally obsessed, and I'll, you know, I was researching it, I was getting into it, and then I just stopped for a whole month. I don't know why I do that. Any psychologists watching who know why we do stuff like that? I was having so much fun. I mean, I still enjoy it. It's not like, oh, I don't want to paint anymore. It's just I can't get motivated to. It's so weird. But I like doing things for other people and hopefully giving them things they like and enjoy and making them happy. So that was kind of my motivation, actually, what got me to come back and paint. So I was like, oh, I really want to give her one or two. Yeah, so I don't know about these colors though. Okay. I mean, it's pretty. I just did not expect that much green. I wonder if the green is like the lowest pigment count or density, and that's why it's coming through. I don't know. Just not sure. Just trying to get a little bit more of the turquoise and pink to come through. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? Ooh, it's been so hot here too. Like maybe that's it. Part of the like lack of motivation. I don't know. Okay, well it's still like a lot of green, but I feel like at least it did get some of the colors on there a little bit more. Y'all let me know what you think. The camera doesn't really do it justice, but okay. And then I guess I'm gonna go ahead and do this one. I'm like, I don't know now that it's like not the color I really wanted, but maybe now that we're further down it will be. I don't know. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. Well, I just hope that she likes it even a little bit and enjoys it, hangs it up. Look how thick this is. That's what I did wrong, y'all. It's just too thick. Or at least that's one of the things I did wrong. I don't know. Who knows? Don't know. I feel like I didn't even put that much green, to be honest. Like, oh, you know what? Did I put maybe I put the green and the turquoise next to each other? Do you think that's it? And so they kind of like melded together? I really don't know, y'all. In case you can't tell, I overthink everything, so I'm trying to like, instead of just being here and enjoying it, I'm trying to figure out what I did. Because it's just not the color. I didn't want it to be this green. Anyway. I mean, I do still have more paint, so I could try something else, but I didn't give myself as much time this time to experiment. Wow, it's like just so thick. So thick. These are hard too, y'all, because there's like really nowhere to hold them. Yeah, it's kind of hard. I'm trying to make sure I got the inside here. See how the turquoise is coming through more? Like, I wish it would have done that more on the other one. Yeah, I'm definitely going to have to keep adding more water and doing some more stirring tomorrow when I have my wrist rested up. Oh my gosh, this is really thick. Y'all can't see it, but there's like a... it's like kind of globby up here in the top. Okay, well, I tried. I got something done. And we'll see if I like these better when they dry a little bit. Hopefully, maybe, I don't know. Maybe, oh, maybe those colors will pop out more. Y'all think? Once the paint, like, dries. Maybe, possibly, hopefully. Ooh, I've got paint everywhere. This paint is so thick. I thought it felt thick, but I was like, well, I haven't painted in a while. Maybe it's just me. Maybe I'm being whatever. Anyway, leave me a comment if you made it this far. Since everything turned out green, you can do a green heart or a green flower, a green something. And thank you for joining me, and you have a beautifully blessed day.